Hey everybody, it's Mr. Ryan. I want to tell you, bingo. It's a really fun, popular game for people of all ages. And the kids in my class really like to play. It's a great way to learn about different things. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your own bingo game at home. Check it out. Okay, so we're going to start with some things that you probably have at home. First thing is a piece of paper. You can use a pencil or a pen or a crayon or a marker. If you want to make your lines straight, you can have a ruler, but you don't need it. And some scissors. And you know what? Kids can learn to use scissors. All right, first of all, let's go ahead and fold this in half. You don't really have to fold it in half first, but you can. I think it just makes it a little bit easier to see what you're doing. Okay, you're going to go ahead and make a grid pattern on here. 6 and 6. Okay? It doesn't have to be perfect, super straight, or anything. This is preschool. All right, we're going to do this front and back. And you know what? Kids are very forgiving. Anything you do is awesome in their eyes, parents. Whether you're singing, coloring, whatever, learn together. All right, so we have now, once we cut this in half, let your kids try this. All right, kids, you can cut, right? Show your grown-up at home what you can do. All right, we have 2 bingo cards, well, the beginning of it. Now what we're gonna do is we are going to write some things on here, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and make some things on here and I'll show you what I made. Okay, you don't have to be a wonderful artist to do what I did. Now at school, this is pretty much what our bingo cards look like. There are shapes, 6 basic shapes, all right? We have a square, oval, diamond, circle, rectangle, and triangle. And I used crayons to color different colors in here. You know, kind of your basic colors. How many have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colors and 6 squares. So you can make a number of these game boards or these bingo cards. Just make a lot of them. Okay? You make a lot of these things. Then you can cut them out and you can play with as many people as you have in your house because it's a fun game. I mean, truly, my kids at school could play this all day long and not get bored. So anyway, I made shapes and then I colored them in randomly. So what you can do for this, the shape and color bingo, you could do either the colors or the shapes or both. So for example, forgot to mention, you need to have markers to show where these things go. I'm using pennies because everybody likes money, including kids. And believe me, this is worth a lot to them. All right, so you'll say, all right, do you have an oval? Oh, yes you do. Hey, look, guess what? I have an oval too. All right, do you have a square? Oh, yes, you do. Hey, look, I have a square too. You can do shapes. All right, do you have a circle? Yes, you do. Oh, I have a circle too. And you can bring it up a notch. All right, I am looking for, do you have a pink rectangle? Oh, yes, you do. Oh, I have a rectangle too, but oh, wait, is it pink? No, it's yellow, so I don't have that. And important part of the game. Oh, hey, do you have a purple diamond? Let's see. Is this a diamond? Oh, no, no. Wait, what about this? Yep, purple diamond. And do you have a brown triangle? Oh, you do. Bingo! Yeah, it's important. Everybody likes to say bingo. And parents, you can decide how you want to play this. You know, everybody could win. Keep playing until all of these are filled in. You know, maybe you won this game, but everybody can win if you all fill these in. Or, you know, some of my kids at school, they're ready for winning and losing. And I teach them, I say, hey, you know, if somebody wins, just say, you know, good job, you played really well. Or, wow, man, that was awesome. And if you happen to lose, yeah, well, you know, I'll play again. It's fun. It's fun just to play. And you know what? It's fun to learn these colors and these shapes. All right. Hey, people are going to win and lose in life, right? Got to learn how to do it in a good way. And on the back, I did numbers. Okay. Simple stuff, guys. And we like to teach kids numbers. Usually 1 through 10 is where we start. But you know what? If your kids at home, they are little, you know, gone a little bit beyond this, go ahead. You can mix up numbers all the way up to whatever you want. And this is how we like to do it as well. So let's say your kids can't recognize any numbers. All right, that's normal. Everybody's learning, right? So you might say, hey, do you have the number 3? Oh, do you have it? Yeah, I have it. Well, that's not a 3. How about you count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you can do this to model for them, or they can maybe do it on their own. But hey, is that 3? No. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's 3. And so, yeah, mix it up, and it's just like the other side. Anyway, yeah, simple things that you can do at home to advance colors, shapes, and numbers. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye. Hey kids, when I was editing my video, I noticed that I missed something. I only put 2 dots on the number 4 like I did for the number 2. So I went ahead and I fixed that and I put 1, 2, 3, 4. It's important that I point this out because it's good for you to know that everybody makes mistakes, including grown-ups. But when you make a mistake, you fix it. All right, bye.